sewing friends. Today I've got a pair of pants that need to be hemmed. My favorite pair of pants to hem is a client that comes in. She's already got the length pinned. She's my favorite. So I look at what she's got pinned and I can see that there is enough here to cut this completely off and to make another hem. Now, so I'm going to cut off, well, first of all, if you look at this hem, you can see that it was folded twice, a little more than half an inch, 5/8 of an inch twice. So 5/8 of an inch twice is 10/8, which is 1 inch and a quarter, right? Yep. Yes, 1 1/4. Sorry. So I need 1 1/4 inches. And look, no, I don't have quite enough. Well, I do if I cut. Yes, I do. I have enough. I don't want to take the stitching out. Do you want to know why? Because it'll take me for a few minutes, and I'm secretly a lazy person. So I don't want to sit and take that out. I'm going to cut 1 1/4 inches off, which is right at the bottom of that hem, all the way around. I'm going to leave 1 1/4 inches on by cutting right at the edge of that hem. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, now that we have cut off what we need, now I want to do a double 5/8 inch rolled hem for the bottom. Life is a lot easier when you press that in. So I'm going to go to my iron, I'm going to press that in before I sew it. Okay, here's a little tip. When you're pressing the first one up, you can go a little less than 5/8 if you want to, like a half. Because when you fold it again, it'll take a little bit of fabric just to get around that fold and make it a 5/8 inch fold. And you don't want it to be bigger than 5/8. So first time you can have it just a little bit less. You can see that it's just a little bit less than 5/8 if you want to get crazy accurate, which it's always nice to do if you can. And since I can, I will. Just, you know, and don't let it stress you out. Okay. Okay, now we're going to sew these pants. And I'm going to sew them on the outside. So right now they're turned to the inside, and I could sew them on the inside, but it's nicer when you sew it on the outside just because the top stitch always looks a little better than the bobbin stitch. And if I sewed it like this, the bobbin stitch would be showing. I forgot I have my zipper foot on here. I'm going to change it to my regular presser foot. And I'm going to sew top stitch. I like to sew it about 8 stitches per inch. Yes, I am. I am sewing a 4/8 inch seam, which makes sense because if it's folded at a 5/8 inch, I want to sew it at a 4/8 inch so I don't miss the fold on the other side. And I back stitch, so I'm going to trim these off real close. Let's see how that looks. Looks just fine. I think that looks good.